Hi everyone, it's me, Teresa McKelvey with Yarn Shop Around the Corner. I hope you're having a lovely day. I'm enjoying this beautiful sunshine we have pouring in the window here. So I have three things to talk to you about today. One, really important. Do not forget, you do not want to miss this. The Yarn Shop. The Yarn Dyeing workshop is up on the website. Is available for purchase. We're only doing limited seating for 10. So you just go to the main website, theyarnshoparoundthecorner.com, scroll down, and then there's Yarn Dyeing Workshop. We'll tell you everything, the day, April the 2nd. It's a Saturday from 1:30 to 3:30. The price is $40. All you need to bring is a crock pot, and then we suggest you bring some kitchen tongs and an apron or something to cover up with, just in case. So we're going to be taking our natural undyed, our bare yarn. It's a worsted weight. It's a superwash merino wool. It's beautiful. We're going to take it from this, and yours might come out looking like this. This is Ashley's, who will be our instructor teaching the class, and so this is the one she did. And then she gives you some options. Here's some more ones that she dyed. This is a food safe dye, so it's natural, so you can use, look at that. Oh, you can use your crock pot, and we're going to have a lot of fun. It's going to be a workshop to hand dye our own yarn. Now, speaking of that, this class is for everyone. You do not have to be a crocheter. You do not have to be a knitter. You just got to be somebody who wants to have fun, have an adventurous afternoon. Because here's the fun thing you could do. You could come in and take this bare yarn. You could dye it your own natural little colorway, and then you could come in and use the knitting machine and make up your own hat or scarf that you dyed, and you made the yarn yourself. You don't have to have any skill except for to be able to turn this for this machine. And so I'll have these available for you to come in and use. Like I said, it's a limited seating, so go ahead and secure your spot today. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is if you are a beginning crocheter or interested in beginning crochet, I have these books in the store for you to purchase, and they are so good. They are great visuals. Of course, this is granny squares, but what's so great about it is it starts with the basics of how to hold the yarn, how to hold the hook, how to form a slip knot, how to do a chain stitch. Then it goes your tension, your slip stitch, your counting chains, then single crochet. It goes all the way through the basics. The first part of the book is just your basics, and it really gets you into, fastening off, leaving a tail, gets you into crocheting. So I wanted to let you know we do have these books in the shop if you're interested in learning how to crochet. Today is Wednesday. Nicole's in the shop doing some crochet lessons this morning. We have some people working on their crochet projects. So while we are knitters as well, we also love crocheters. So we are crocheters, Nicole and ourselves. So I wanted to let you know about that book. Last thing, I know I'm talking really fast because I can't breathe. The last thing is, yes, I'm a small shop. However, if you have yarns that you would like for me to order for you, I have a book now, a sample book. You can come and go through, and you can feel the yarn, see how thick it is, touch it, see the colors they come in, and I can order it for you. So at any time you want to come in and take a look at the book, I'm getting more and more samples added so that you can have more and more options. And just, as a yarn shop, I want to meet your yarn needs. So I think that was 1, 2, 3. I think I got everything. I hope you have a great day. I hope to see you in the shop soon. And make sure you sign up for that yarn. Let's see, let me show you right there. Yarn Dyeing Workshop. Okay, everyone, have a great day. Bye.